Little froggy. You heard him? So what do we have to do now?
We have to tip that over and help him get out.
Yep. All right. Go ahead. Set him free.
There's a little froggy.
One we had hanging up fell, so it's down there. See that bright yellow gourd right there, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and grab it. Watch your feet because there's something growing there. Step right there. Then reach over and grab it. That's your Ninja Turtle squash.
It was? Got it.
Good job. Step back. All right, let's take a look at that thing.
Whoa, squash bugs on it.
The squash bugs on it? Yeah, that'll happen. It's nice and bright and yellow. It's not that big, but it's cool.
We can eat it.
Just give it a twist, it should pop right off. Remember, don't cut the whole stalk, just cut the... You hold the scissors upside down, baby. Let's see that. Excellent.
A little dirty.
Huh? Let's wash it off. Try to your basket.
My heart. Green basket.
You go around the side, we got one more.
Is that it? Ooh, this one's big.
It is? Come on, let's get it off and check it out.
It's bigger than the other one.
Let's see.
Brrr.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Drop it in. Good job. That little acorn squash. I had it up here for a couple days, probably about a week. It hasn't gotten any bigger, so I'm assuming that it's ready.
And it's so little.
Any bugs on it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, a lot of ants. All right, so we're gonna wash this off before we put it into the basket. Yeah, that's a little one, but it's still ours. It's beautiful.
Huh?
And look at this little caterpillar here.
Yeah, I've seen one like that.
Yeah, I've never seen one like that before. Either way, I'm going to get them off of here.
He munches on everything.
Yep. But still very, very pretty.
I don't know if you see him, but he's pretty. Wait, are all those eggs on his back?
No, I don't believe they're eggs, baby.
Because he can't lay eggs on his back. Or maybe he got the eggs and then he grabbed them and put them on his back.
You know what? Anything's possible in the Garden of Feodora. And this is the little area that me and my buddy planted the corn at when she was doing one foot in front of the other. And it's coming up.
And what is it, sunflower?
No, that's a weed. And then I put some tomatoes down. The tomatoes are looking healthy and strong. There's some right there. There's a very small one there. You probably can't see it. And there's a tomato plant right there, and a tomato plant right there. But these are all aromas. I know what they are this time. But yeah, it's an update to show you how this looks. Looks good. Can't wait till they come up. Hold the stalk still. Good. Bend it all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. Good. Now just pop it off. Pull it upward. No, push it back down. And while it's down like that, push it up. It'll pop off. There you go. Good job. That's our first corn. Drop it in the mighty basket. This one right here, I believe we can get that one too. Good job. Excellent. Drop it in the basket. All right, buddy.
I can take this off too.
You did a good job. You know Daddy loves you, right? You know Daddy loves you, right?
Right.
The tomatillos, watch out. Watch your back foot. Let's get this one off. See the little silks? They're brown. So that means it's ready. Come on. Same thing. Let's get down low. Good job.
A bug.
Yeah. It's gonna be bugs.
Woo! Big spider web.
Yeah, I know. Looks like a trampoline.
No, I want to do it.
You can do it. Go ahead. All right, give it a twist. There you go. Good job. Right. I don't know if it's a cantaloupe or a type of melon right there, but I believe that's the watermelon. I don't know if you can see it right there. There's a nice big melon right there. Never grown melon before. This is going to be my first time. I hope nothing comes along and eats at it, which it probably will, but I don't want to put that into the air. And I just did. But, you know, wish this garden luck, man. My daughter would love to see these things come up. Alright. Yes. I just moved these 3 spaghetti squash up. As you can see, I snapped that one right there by mistake. Hopefully it'll be good. Still get some nutrients to it. They're pretty big. I want them bigger, but they should be alright. They should survive. Even if they do begin to fall off, I think they're big enough. But I moved them so they can turn a nice yellow and get some sun and we can get ready to get them in the house. Right, Miss Toes?
Hey!
What time is it, buddy?
It's time to take these 2 gourds. See this beautiful one and that big one down there? That's what the one that's Dad's about to take.
It's harvest time. Look at that. It's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. You have to get that close, baby. There you go. Let's see. Take this one. There you go. Just gotta clean them up. 2 awesome spaghetti squash, right?
Right.
2 awesome spaghetti squash.
Right.
Show them how we had to do the other ones.
So, while they were still babies, we had to cover them up.
Why?
Because those birds and bugs kept trying to get them.
Okay.
We figured it was actually the chickens. Or ladies. Our men are trying to eat our fruit.
Into the caterpillar.
Where did the caterpillar come from? Right over Melon's carrot.
Let's see.
Don't look at him. I touch him and try acting crazy.
Caterpillar.
Let me try.
Look at that.
Touch his butt. You see him turn around?
Right on the end of this carrot here. Carrots are dry. I try to water this thing every day. It's just it's dry. But this is what came up, along with his buddy.
Okay, so this is our beautiful corn harvest. Hey, and some tomatoes are hiding in there too. What are those tomatoes hiding in there for? See? See the orange? Our harvest basket that we put in. The squashes. Squashes.
So what kind of squash is this?
Acorn.
Acorn squash. What kind of squash is this?
Spaghetti.
Who grew this?
Me.
Good job. Who harvested these corns this morning?
Me.
Who harvested all of this stuff this morning?
Me.
Good job.
It was a good
Who harvested
harvest.
these?
Me in there, and I grew them.
That's right. What did you grow them in?
A watermelon.
That's right. Alright. That's it. Say peace, buddy.
Peace from the Garden of Feodora.
And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.
It's harvest time.